guys! Welcome to our channel Golden Salamander Talks. For those who are first time here, we are Roxanne and Nikita Phoenix. We are running Golden Salamander Empire, and this channel is a part of our empire. And those
rabbits, this is Rosa.
and this is Masha.
And
They are also part of our empire. Masha and Kuzya. By the way, videos about Masha and Kuzya, Nikita.
Are on my channel. Link is in the description.
Yes, Nikita is running his own YouTube channel, and link to his channel is in the description. Okay, Masha and Kuzya. Do you want to run away? Okay, run. Run. Run away. Okay, on our channel you can find videos about traveling, about music, about basking, about filmmaking. You can find also trailers for our new films. You can find also videos about personal evolution and, to be more precise, about veganism. You can also find videos about world schooling and homeschooling. And by the way,
They're on my channel.
yes, videos about world schooling and homeschooling you can find also on his channel, Jagex. Link in the description. Today we have a surprise video for you, because today we want to present you, no, not this. This is for rabbits. Can you please pass it for them?
Oui.
Today we have surprise video for you. We want to show you our new monster. Actually, we got new editing editors. Anyway, we got a new computer. This is the beast for film editing. That's why actually we got it, because we need it for editing videos for you. Yeah.
Okay, you can also use it for gaming. Yes, we can also use it for gaming. He can also use it for gaming.
Yeah.
I can also use it for gaming. But I don't think we're gonna use it for gaming because we are making videos for you. Okay, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe. And like the video, please. Okay, this is Gigabyte. This is Gigabyte AERO 17 HDR YC. Oh my god! What the fudge? Oh my god! Oh my god! Woo! What a fudge! It's so this is cool! Wow! This is cool! I love the box. Gigabyte AERO. This monster is stronger than Mr. Beast. Gigabyte AERO. This is a beast. Gigabyte AERO. Okay. Let's open it. This beast is more powerful than Mr. Beast. Yes, definitely. Definitely it is more powerful than Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. So, look at this. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yes. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Take it up.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Gigabyte AERO 17 HDR
17
YC.
inch processor. i9.
9.
This is i9 processor. And this is the graphic card. RTX 3080. 3080!
So yeah, if you're a gamer out there and you want to burn your graphic card, get this laptop.
You don't need to burn your graphic cards. You need just to edit beautiful videos. And it is 2 terabyte SSD drive. And it is 64 gigabyte RAM. 64 gigabyte RAM.
You know, this is more than 4 times the amount of storage my laptop has.
My
That's
God.
beautiful. That is beautiful. That.
Okay, press the button.
Look at it. Look at
Look
it.
at it.
Look at
Look at it. Look at it. My beautiful. My baby. Gigabyte. Press F2 for enter setup. Hello, Gigabyte.
Hello.
Hello, baby. Hello. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Me too. I'm gonna use this laptop every so often.
And he's so excited. By the way, those t-shirts
Are
you
all-
can get
on
in
our Redbubble
our
store.
shop, Redbubble, in our Redbubble store, Golden Salamander shop. And you know what is the fantastic feature of this beast? This beast is light.
Yes.
Seriously, it is 2.5 kilo. Cortana is the one with whom you can talk. If you don't have anybody else with whom to talk, you can talk to Cortana. Okay, don't turn off your PC.
And honestly, I want to know how he knows this photograph. Seriously, I just want to know how he knows this photograph. This is the screen from my previous computer. How he knows this photograph?
Because the computer was linked to your.
What?
Your computer was linked to your Microsoft account.
And so what?
They access all of your information on your laptop. They can do it. They have access to it. You should have wrote the agreement to it. You should have read the agreement with them. They can access all your data. Like all the files you have on your laptop, if you're connected to Wi-Fi, they can access.
So now, if I will get Alzheimer, if I will lose all my memory, if I will get mad one day, what I have to do? I have just to ask
Microsoft.
Microsoft. This is the fantastic solution. I believe this is fantastic solution. Now we can go crazy. No problem. Microsoft remember everything. Yeah. Sign in, scan your finger on.
Or you can choose another option. If you want, you can scan your finger. Or you can choose another option. There you go. Let's watch the.
It's me! It's me! It's me! You got a new update. Okay. You know what I love about this thing?
What?
If I don't understand something, I can ask him.
For me?
Or you. Him or you. I have no responsibility anymore. I don't have to care about anything. Because this one and this one, they do remember everything about me.
I don't.
Okay, where is sound? Wait a moment. It's very beautiful, but where is sound? Sound.
Yeah, right here.
Sound. Maybe there is no sound in this video.
Maybe. Play some kind of other video, like your video.
You see? 2. 1 terabyte and another terabyte. There are 2 terabytes of memory. Так, okay.
There you go. Okay.
Wow!
You can pick.
Yes. Look at my screen!
never gonna get you. Minecraft.
I'm so happy! Look at this screen. 4K screen, 2TB SSD, 64 RAM, i9, RTX Geforce 3080,
And you have
Gigabyte AERO 17, HDR YC. This is processor i9. This is 64GB RAM. This is 2TB SSD memory. This is graphic card RTX Geforce 3080. What else? What else here?
highlighted WHD key.
Yes, and 4K screen. 4K screen. This is fantastic toy for editing.
Also, we've got 3 USB inputs, 2 audio inputs, 1 in, 1 out. A
yes, the
Thunderbolt,
audio, one in, one out. USB.
a full SD card, 4 SD,
Yes.
and Thunderbolt. I think that's Thunderbolt. And from the side we have HDMI. Look.
My gosh. I touched something. Look, what is this look?
First look.
Hello?
I don't know what it is.
I watch what happened. Look at this beauty.
I don't know. And you were safe in Australia. Can you imagine how much coronavirus there is there? Okay, let's move on. We're not showing a video. We're showing a laptop.
And here, what it is here, it is something else. I don't know what is this. What is this? I can connect here
Phone.
another hard drive. So I can connect here more than 3 hard drives. Yeah. Yes.
And you can place your phone in here.
Oh my god. I'm so happy with this baby.
Okay, now let's go see something else.
Let's do something else. Okay, just watching this.
That's it!
We can watch stuff on TV. We should do a TV review.
Thank you for watching our video.
This is
Subscribe.
This is part 1. There will also be a part 2 where we show you how it deals with Premiere Pro and how it deals with video games
Yes.
and
Let's go, we love it!
yeah, and CPS, FPS, stuff like that.
Stay with us, it's always fun. And subscribe on our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell. So you know whenever we uploading something new, whenever something happens, we are uploading every week.
Yeah, and also leave a like and share this with all your friends.
And comment. Do you want to know anything else about our gears?
Gears are the things you put in machines.
Okay, gear. Where is rabbits? Masha, this is our new notebook.
Кузя, this is our new notebook.
Ну покажи Кузю туда.
Кузя, look, new notebook. You like
This is Masha.
notebook?
This is
Кузя.
Кузя. Маша, скажи бай-бай! Кузя, скажи бай-бай!
Bye.
Bye.